Today we are going to read types of adjectives. But before that, we must revise what is adjective. As I told you in the last video, adjectives are the describing words that describes or qualifies noun or pronoun. There are different types of adjectives. The first kind is adjective of quality. Words that describes the quality of noun or pronoun. All the words or the adjectives that describes the quality of noun or pronoun are called adjective of quality. For example, I have a nice teddy. Now, in this sentence, there is a word nice. Nice is describing about the quality of teddy. Nice is describing or informing about the quality of teddy, and the word that describes about the quality of noun, describes the quality of noun or pronoun are called adjectives of quality. So nice is here adjective of quality. Few more examples are long hair, decent boy, pretty dress. In all these three examples, long, decent, pretty, they are adjective of quality because they are describing the quality of hair, boy and dress respectively. The next kind of adjective is adjective of quantity. Words that describe the quantity of noun or pronoun is called adjective of quantity. Words that say the amount of noun or pronoun, how much is the noun or pronoun is, they are called as adjective of quantity. For example, I have enough money. In this sentence, enough is adjective of quantity because it is describing the amount of money, the quantity of money. And this adjective of quantity is used with uncountable nouns. The nouns which cannot be counted, we use with them adjective of quantity. Few more examples are some food, few hotels and many people. In this three, some, few and many are the examples of adjective of quantity. So, adjective of quantity says about the quantity of noun or pronoun. Next is the adjective of number. Words that describes the exact number of noun or pronoun. Noun or pronoun are how many in number. All the words that describes about the number of noun or pronoun are called adjective of number. For example, Shivani has 5 apples. In this sentence, 5 is adjective of number because 5 is here informing about exact number of apples Shivani has. So, adjective of number describes the number of noun or pronoun and they are used with countable nouns. Few more examples are 10 girls, 3 monkeys, 8 legs. In these three, 10, 3 and 8 are the examples of adjective of number. They are used with girls, monkeys and legs and they are saying the exact number of noun or pronoun. So words that describe exact number, they are called adjective of numbers. The next kind is demonstrative adjective. Words that point out a person, thing or animal. The words or the adjectives that indicates a person, place, a thing or animal, they are called demonstrative adjective. They are used to show, they are used to point out, they are used to indicate something. For example, this book is mine. Now, in this sentence, the word this is pointing out the noun book. That is why this here is demonstrative adjective. Few more examples are that building, those apples, these books. So that, those, these are demonstrative adjective. Children, be very clear. There are 4 words which are considered as demonstrative adjective. They are this, that, these and those. All these 4 words are used to point out, are used to say about a person or thing or animal. Point out means to indicate about a person, thing or animal. And that is why they are termed as demonstrative adjective. Very simple to understand. This, that, these and those are demonstrative adjectives if they are used with a noun. This, that, these, those, when they are used with noun, they are demonstrative adjectives. The next kind is possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives are the words that are used to show ownership or possession, belongingness. Suppose you have something, that means you are the owner of that thing. And all those adjectives which shows the ownership, which shows the possession, they are called as possessive adjective. For example, Joe left his bat at home. In this sentence, the word his is possessive adjective because it is indicating that the bat belongs to Joe. So all the words, all the adjectives that shows that something is belonging to someone, something belongs to someone, is called possessive adjective. Few more examples. Her hair, its teeth, their clothes. In this, her, its, their, all 3 are possessive adjectives because they are showing the belongingness, and they are used with noun. Next kind of adjective is interrogative adjective. There are some interrogative words, WH words, to ask questions, and they are who, whose, which, whom and what. All these are WH words and they are used with nouns to ask questions. So whenever we use these words to ask question and they are used with noun, they are termed as interrogative adjective. For example, which book is yours? In this sentence, the word which is a WH word and it is followed by a noun, followed by book. Book is a noun. So here, which is interrogative adjective. Children, keep in mind all these words, whom, which, what, where, they must be followed with noun. Then only they will be called as interrogative adjective. After the question words, if nouns are written, they are interrogative adjective. So all these words must be followed with noun to make it interrogative adjective. Like few more examples, which house, whose ball and what time. Now see in these 3, which, whose and what, they are interrogative adjective because they are followed by noun. They are asking about the noun house, ball, time. So to understand interrogative adjective, one must keep in mind that all these question words must be followed with noun. Then only they will be considered as interrogative adjective. So these were the kinds of adjective I have explained you. Thank you, children.